If your iPhone keyboard is covering messages in iMessage, this video will show you a few quick fixes to solve the problem. Sometimes in the Messages app, the keyboard glitches and blocks part of the conversation or text field, making it difficult to read or type messages properly. The first fix is very simple. Open iMessage and tap inside the text field. Now press the Enter key once, then press Backspace once. This refreshes the message field and can reset the keyboard layout instantly. If that didn't work, try the second method. First, make sure rotation lock is turned off from Control Center. Now, open the Messages app and rotate your iPhone into landscape mode. Wait a second, then rotate it back to portrait mode. This forces the iPhone keyboard and iMessage layout to refresh correctly. If the keyboard is still covering messages, go to the Settings app and tap on General. Then select Keyboard. Scroll down and turn off Smart Punctuation. Sometimes these keyboard features can cause display or typing glitches inside iMessage. After disabling them, reopen the Messages app and check if the keyboard issue is fixed. If this video helped you fix the iPhone keyboard covering messages in iMessage, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more iPhone and iOS troubleshooting tutorials.